so much. Yeah, I see so many female artists. Edda balinga bagamba bimbi abakyala tebakwatagana batekawo embeera osigaza culture eyo naye generation tegenda kukkiriza culture eyo kusigalawo. That's why you see Juliana talabika, but she's here to support me. That's why you see Sheebah Karungi, she's here to support me. That's why we have Winnie Nwadi. Katilinda ko Spice Dana inaba imbi abakyala basinga mu ggwanga wano ku Sheno. And it's just an EP release party. Like I was saying, we have Winnie Nwadi, we have Karakasita, Abu Bachala, we have Big Pounds, we have Ellen Lukoma. Oh my God, Anigwe Sogede, Shakira, Anigwe Nera Videva Nage. Mama Namakula Banage, Zani! Gasindera Vidomchala Buganda, Fukamira, Jagala Kwebaza Wachitiwa Katikiro wa Buganda. For coming out tonight. Okubera Ugandan music. Like I'm saying, Chino Sichang, it is for the entire industry. So thank you so much, Owekitiibwa. Mukama kuwanga zerapo lyo singo kwagala. Nyizo kwerabira to say this, but I want to say thank you so much. Mubudebo wandibadde so busy with a lot of things. Naye no salawo, no gamba kangende supporting a Ugandan artist. It means a lot for the entire industry. Bane mumupere ngale zamani. Tezimala guys, please. I want to thank Ebony's, the entire team for coming out. All the companies thank you for showing this much love. Mami Kathy, oh my God, I don't know what to say. Pastor Buge, we have Pastor Buge. Oh my God! Jesus, guys, this is not a launch. This is an EP release party. But to have you guys, all of you guys here, before I forget, guys, yeah, I want to call this lady on stage, yeah. I want to call the queen herself. Please, banange nzikirizato alomukisagono ajewano katono nyonino bugambo wange mutini wenjagalo mugamba, and I would like to say it in front of you guys. Yes, please, are next to the queen herself. Please let me have her. Just sigena twala budde bwe bungi nnyo. Just kubanga namukubira akasimu nga mutegeeza bamuwaka invitation kange na number ka Spice. I will be there. Well, I took it like a joke because I know these days buli muyimbi is so busy with a lot of things. Naye kubanga yasazeewo nagamba bannange, let me go and support ka Spice. Oh my God, it means a lot. You guys know what I'm saying, right? Mama Wegaleza Manya, as she's coming on stage. This is a dream come true. I mean, yeah? But this is amazing. I mean, it means a lot. Mama Wegaleza Manya, as she's coming. You look so amazing. I love you so much. Let me tell you guys, she's one of my mentors, yeah? Yeah, the negative media has been trying to spoil that, but it's not gonna change. It's not gonna change. I love you so much. And thank you for changing our industry. Thank you for what you do for the women. I mean, for all of us. I love you so much, so much. And thank you for honoring my invitation. Makes me so nervous. Hi Spice, this is beautiful. Man, for me moments like this as a woman, they make me so happy because I'm a feminist. I'm not a fake feminist, but a real feminist. So I really love moments like these. I've had so many of my fellow artists in the big building. I've seen the males. I've seen so many around you, but man, it's Spice's night. Congratulations. I see you. I came here to tell you that I see you. I respect you. I respect your hustle. Yeah, I came here to tell you that I know that the males in the industry started this by dividing the females so that they can keep winning. But now they can't do that again. We are going to unite together. We are going to support each other. I'm here today for you. Everybody's here today for you. I can't wait for the day I can do anything you would want me to do. I'm here, and I hope you know that I'm here. Thank you so much for inviting me. Guys, it's Spices Night. Let me hear say, female future is now. The female is now. Thank you so much. I love you so much, Spices. Thank you for this moment. Good night, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much, Mungale Sheebah Ngale Zamanye. This means a lot to my career. It means so much. I love you, Sheebah, and I don't take this moment for granted forever in my life. Thank you so much. I want to thank once again every artist that made it tonight to this. It's not a concert like I've said, but thank you for making it so big. So we continue. Oh my God, I'm so emotional. I fall back into process. I'm better than Kunati. I love the way you do that. Now I'm gonna go to the bedroom. I'll take my cup, what down, Katashu. I do. Oh, my Banamawulire says, Wakute, Nebuku to I told my Nico Kagani. I'm a Timaso Tanga Kagani. You guys sing along. Hey, I love the way you do that. You be resuti. I tell you, you run your body. Oh no, you belong to me. I said we don't wish it. Sit down and see go. Balabalo sasune. And your chevy is so simple. We don't want to mama. Sit down and see go. Kumbano sasuno tuale. I said it's so simple. Never call a nebulaka. Mutema ni panta. Can't do it to the Wakanda. Thank you so much for representing. Thank you guys for the love.